I see the beauty I failed to see when she was me. Life undressed me of her, strap by strap, like a silk dress. She fell to my feet. She brought me flowers, said she liked my work. I thought she couldn't do us any harm. He never liked that kind of charm. But how could he resist when her dress let in the autumn sun? I used to watch the sparrows perched on electric wires, like notes of a song waiting to be sung. For you I wrote them down. He laughed that laugh that kept me sane in a world of dark, dark games. She brought me flowers, said she liked my work. I thought she couldn't do us any harm. He never liked that kind of charm. But how could he resist when her dress let in the autumn sun? She watered the garden, played with the kids. For her birthday he let her try on his wedding ring. She brought me flowers, said she liked my work. I thought she couldn't do us any harm. He never liked that kind of charm. But how could he resist when her dress let in